Dharampuri Railway Station is in Dharampuri district, making it an important railway station in the Indian state of Tamil Nadu. To facilitate independent travel of visually impaired persons, 2 Braille maps have been installed at the main entrances for complete guidance about the railway station. Braille indicators which guides and empowers the people with visual impairment to reach the ticket counter from the entrance gates. Now, people with disabilities can also identify different facilities like lift for easy movement. Illuminating reflective strips installed on the staircases empower people with low vision to identify the start and end of the staircase at night, hence reducing the risk of accidents. A scannable QR code is available at various locations which redirects you to a sign language YouTube video explaining every important detail about the railway station. Platform indicators to identify the platform numbers. This helps people with disability to reach the right platform at the right time. Complimentary Braille booklets have been made available for complete guidance of the railway station premises to the visually impaired persons. Divyang toilets which are provided for persons with disabilities have been made more accessible for easy and more access. Portable ramps and wheelchairs have been provided at the railway station to assist people using a wheelchair to board the trains easily. Under this CSR initiative, Nissan Motor aims to provide these facilities at 45 stations pan-India, especially in Tamil Nadu. In the first phase of this project, these facilities were provided at 15 stations.